wires, got wires everywhere. There you go. This gets seen, people go, oh, there's a CB. See you later. Cheers. Yeah, I'll see you all in a bit then.
Yeah, I'm taking you.
Yeah.
Yeah, drive carefully.
Oh yeah. I'll go slowly. Alright. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, I'm going to get the kids. I just had a good chin wag with the parents, mum and dad. Just having a good old moan about Brexit and all the other shit that's going on in the world at the minute. Whoa, fucking zip not done up. Absolutely crazy. Oh my god, look at these holes. Let's see, what are we on? 85 miles. Got a quarter of a tank left. Up, holes. Let's see what we get before the light comes on. So that's pretty comfy all the way down here then, that weren't too bad. The weather's held off, which has been good. Hopefully it will stay like this. Bike started okay. I think it is the side stand switch. I think that was what was causing the problem. The bike was having a bit of a hiccup when I was trying to start it, when I had the side stand down. So I think we'll leave that well alone at the minute. Good to see my mum and dad. I've got a backpack now full of chocolate. I felt a bit jack actually because I didn't bring my my Easter eggs down, so I've just received a load of chocolate and I didn't bring any down. That's jacking it. So if you're watching this, Dad, thank you very much. I don't know why I'm looking in that camera because I haven't got it switched on. Get past these. So, good excuse though to make another trip back down to Las Vegas. Oh, I've gone down the wrong bloody road, didn't I? I'm meant to be going on that one. I've just gone up in this one. What a clown. How many times have I done that? I used to commute this way. See myself right off. I should have been going down there. That's where I should be going. Jesus. What a clown. This is a police speed check. Brilliant. Yeah, I wonder how far I'm going to get up the A12 before that light comes on. He ain't hanging about, look. He don't care about the fuzz. Look. He don't care either. White van man, so gangster. Look at him. Oh, look at him, look. Boom, straight in. Not mucking about at all, is he? Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice BMW, that one. It's that K75. Back in the day, no one was buying them bad boys. Now, people are snapping them up, turning them into cafe racers or bobbers. That's all your millennials and your hipsters. Look at business though. Right, that's the first of the petrol stations in half a mile. I don't think we're going to need that one. I guarantee the light will go off as soon as we pass this one. It's got to, innit? Right, we've got it on the reserve already. We're ready to go. No light. That's 116. Right, we're in the red. Where's that light? Where's the fuel light? Oh, maybe they don't get a fuel light. I'm looking at that and thinking I've got a fuel light. Is that a fuel light? Or is that a screw? Holy shit, Jimbo. Talk about taxi yourself. So, I'm looking at that and thinking, yeah, I'll wait for the fuel light to come on. That fuel light will come on. Oh, no. That ain't a fuel light, that's a screw on the dash. It's holding the dash together. There's two of them. There's one there near the fuel thing and there's one down by the temperature gauge. Jim, you scream bag. Right. Next petrol station. What? What's that? 121. Right. I think we'll safely say we'll get to 121 and then we'll yeah, knock it on the end. What I should do is switch the fuel switch over to fuel and then watch and see if it cuts out and then switch over to reserve. That's what should happen. Might do that on the next one. Ooh, loads of police going up that way. Oh, please don't tell me the petrol station's fucked. It's busy down here, isn't it? Sorry, no fuel. Yep, it's foobarred. Here we go. This could be quite an interesting trip now, couldn't it? This could be quite interesting. I've got no fuel. Oh my life, looks like I could be running out of fuel. Oh my goodness. Right, short shift this bad boy. Oh my god. This ain't good. I'm gonna have to go into Colchester. Yeah, we're gonna have to go to Colchester, get some fuel. Otherwise we're gonna have an issue here. Alright. Oh my god. Oh. Look at those fuel pumps. They're down there, aren't they? There they are. Can't believe you taxied myself. Oh fuck now. You taxied myself again then. I had to crash one motorbike on the roundabout. There we go. So lesson learned now. Don't mistake your fucking screw on the dashboard for a light. You're expecting that light to come on. Look at that. Oh dear. So yeah, there's a pump down there, some pumps down there. Oh. Look at that. In nearly at the bottom of the red. Can't believe though, 127. That can't be right. It must be, that's sucking the juice, that is. Come on, where's this bleeding? It's down here somewhere. Where is it? Can't believe I'm having to go to Colchester to get fuel. Talk about detour. This is past these traffic lights, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh, I get stuck behind this cloud as well. Man, yeah, she's down here. Oh, so low on fuel. Ridiculous. She's been tangoed. There we are, back where we started. Well, my friends, before I sign off on this part 2, you've been tangoed. Just want to say big shout out to my dad. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you very much. And also, I think that brings me up to 31 now. And also, thanks, Mum. Thanks very much for the chicken casserole. That was lovely. And that is Jim Diesel out.